Hey everyone, how's it going today? cryptoFOXXY here. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. So at this point, I believe I haven't had a Polygon update for some time, and I think it's time to do that. We are at an 8-month low right now, and what are we looking at in the foreseeable future? We could potentially get a rebound from here, so let's talk about that in this video. Make sure you guys smash the like button, and you're subscribed to my channel as well for more cryptocurrency news. You guys know I cover crypto all the time here on the channel. So what we're looking at are Polygon investors willing to trigger a recovery. So the MATIC price has been in a downtrend since the beginning of March. Let's just jump over and look at the chart real quick, because this is something right here. This is the last year for Polygon. Obviously, we saw this dip down into the red here back in September. We saw it recover a little bit in the fall when things started to move back up. We saw a pretty nice recovery here. This was during the March run that we saw. It was pretty bullish in March before the Bitcoin halving, and then we've just seen a bleed out ever since. The overall cryptocurrency market has been bleeding some as well. A lot of altcoins are down pretty hard. Polygon is not immune from that as well. So that's basically what's going on the chart. So let's jump back over now that we see the chart. We can kind of continue on with this article here. The altcoins looking at a potential recovery, giving broader market cues are turning positive. As I mentioned in earlier videos, that the Ethereum investigation into Ethereum being a security has halted. The SEC has kind of given up on that with consensus. They've notified them saying that they won't be pursuing that. So things are looking a little bit better in the cryptocurrency space, but the RSI for Polygon is currently in the bearish zone still. It has not yet reached the oversold territory. So this indicates that the market sentiment could still be negative. Being in the bearish zone without hitting oversold, it can sometimes be seen as a sign that recovery could also be on the horizon. Market value to realized value ratio is also signaling recovery. So the MVRV stands at -15, indicating losses, which may lead to some buying pressure. People are more inclined to sell when they're in the positive and they can make money, but when they're in the negative, they have more more tendency to hold on to what they have, right? And that's kind of what we're looking at right now. So not only did Polygon's native token break below the consolidation, but it's also marked an 8-month low. 53 cents could be the next critical support floor. We are sitting at, I believe it was, let me just check that one right quick, 57.8 cents right now as of recording of this video. So a bounce back from the support, continued recovery could push the altcoin back up into the consolidation range of 75 cents. Somewhere between that and 64 cents. So that would be something nice to see. But if it slips below the support, we could see it below 50 cents. I mean, in Polygon, below 50 cents is in my buying territory, in my opinion. Obviously, none of this financial advice. This is just what I just mentioned what I like to do every once in a while on the channel. And, I hold a fairly decent size of position in Polygon. And, if it drops below 50 cents, I'm definitely buying more. I mean, I really think Polygon hasn't seen its run yet. I think, a lot of the Ethereum news and things like that have been kind of suppressing a lot of the Ethereum alts. We haven't really seen an altcoin season yet. We've seen Bitcoin run really, really hard. We've seen some altcoins also run really, really hard, but we haven't seen a true altcoin season. And I'm still waiting on that, gearing up for that. So I'll look at these as some opportunities to maybe get some prices that I never thought I would really, see again before this happens. But that's how cryptocurrency works, really. You put some capital aside, and when you have some dry powder for when things get things get down massively like this, and buying opportunities arise. And you make the most of it. Either that or hold on, see what you're gonna, if you're comfortable in your position, that's cool too, right? But that's what I got for you guys in this video. So we could see a bounce back from Polygon. Hopefully we will see something. We need a little bit of momentum for Polygon. Things just have not been looking great. So that's what I got for you in this video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next one.